Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today I'm going to make one of my favorite breakfasts that's not eggs. I also use this for a snack sometimes and my children love it. So you're going to need a few things. Two of the things are on my YouTube channel that I've already made. So when I do my weekly meal prep, I will make Cool Whip and I will make these candied pecans. So I'm going to use a cup of the Cool Whip and a quarter of the cup of the candy pecans. So a quarter of a cup has 1 net carb, and a cup of this basically has less than 1 carb, the Cool Whip. And then I use the Too Good yogurt. So I just get the plain Greek yogurt. 3/4 of a cup has 3 grams of carbohydrates, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm actually going to use 4. I'm going to use 1 cup, so I'm going to use 4 grams of carbohydrates. So I'm just going to mix the yogurt, the 1 cup of yogurt into the 1 cup of Cool Whip, and my bowl is already 2 cups that I store it in. So I'm just going to mix this up, and this is my base. And then I take 1 strawberry. 1 medium strawberry has 1 gram of carbohydrates. I'm just going to slice it into thin little slices, and you don't even have to add any sugar. If you want to, you can add the confectioner sugar, but I'm just going to cut these into fine little pieces. If you want to add some sugar, I'm not going to because it's already sweet enough. And then my nuts, you don't have to chop these either, but I've chopped them in my little Ninja food chopper. So I've got my 1/4 cup of pecans, candied pecans here, and then I'm just going to layer. And so I put it in a fancy glass because this is what my kids love. So I'll just start with my base of my Cool Whip and yogurt. So I'll put about, so this is enough to make 2. So I'll put a little bit there, put a little bit of my strawberries, put a little bit of my nuts, and layer it again. The yogurt Cool Whip mixture makes 2 of these. Pecans 1, strawberries 2. I stuck a whole strawberry on top. So the total of this, since it's only half of the Cool Whip and yogurt mixture, less than 5 net carbs.